Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to go ahead and do a haul for you because I'm actually turning my hardwood table into marble table DIY. So I have a haul today. I'm so excited to have you. Thank you so much for joining me. Once again, if you are a newcomer to Fashionable Struts, please subscribe, share my channel, and of course make sure that you comment below to let your girl know what you want from me and what you would love to see in the future. So and for those of you coming back, welcome back to the channel, you guys. Thank you so much for joining your girl again. So like I said, this is a DIY for changing my hardwood table or my wooden table into a marble DIY. And I want to show you the ingredients or the products that I purchased, and I can also show you where you can purchase these items as well. So I will have the links below for you so that you can go ahead and purchase it directly off of where I got it from, or shop around and look for other products. So first and foremost, the first item that I would like to showcase is I'm going to show you the Hygie Life pigments, and this is from Hygie Life, and it comes with 21 colors, and I'm going to use about 7 colors as to what the colors are. So don't be fooled by these little packets. Like, these are very pigmented, so a little bit goes a long way, or one packet actually goes a long way. So these are the colors that I will be using. I'm so excited because these are super gorgeous and just very vibrant. So yeah, so this is from Hygie Life, and you can of course find this from Amazon. I will have the links below, and it is $19 from Amazon with all of these colors, which is so awesome. Perfect. And then of course you already know what these are, right? Mixing cups. Yes, this is what I will be using to mix each of the colors into separately, except for the white. The 2 white ones I will be mixing together, but these are perfect. You can also find them from Amazon, and they are for about $8, so not too bad for all of these. This is just perfect, you guys. Okay guys, so the next item that I'm going to show you is the epoxy hardener, which is the tabletop epoxy. So this is a dual package. I want to hold it a little closer. Now, it's extremely important that you do understand that when choosing the sizing of these 2 items, you have to make sure that your table size is within that frame, and there is a list as to which one you would need to purchase based on the size of your table or countertop or whatever it is that you would like to marble up. So I will have a link below, customer service, to the customer service that can help you and direct you as to finding what size is appropriate, which item is appropriate for the size of the table or item that you would like to marble. They're extremely supportive and very kind. So I will have a link below for you to help you with that. So the next item that I'm extremely excited about, I don't know, it's a little devious or whatnot, but a torch. Like, are you ready to torch or not? It's like, no, that look a little violent, sorry guys. So this is a super cute torch. Like, it comes from Honest. It's really cute and gold, and as you can see now, it's lit right here. It's litty. Now this is extremely hot. Don't be fooled by that little innocent looking blue flame. So make sure you do not put your hand in front of this because you will burn. Okay? And when you do purchase your torch, do not, I repeat, do not forget, okay, to purchase your butane fuel, because this is what allows your torch to light up. So it's extremely important that you purchase this, because then this is useless. You can't use this. Alright, and also you will find this on Amazon, these 2 items on Amazon, and I will also have a link below for you. Also, if you did not know, that the torch is perfect for popping that air bubble, because when you do lay down your foundation, it does tend to hold in some air. So this will perfectly release that bubble that you'll see. So this is why it's extremely important for you to have this item, the torch, okay? Alright guys, the next item, what this looks like. So the infrared thermometer, as you can tell, keyword thermometer, is to tell you when the temperature has reached
about room temperature 75 to 80 degrees.
When your temperature has reached about 75 to 80 degrees. And this is for the epoxy hardener. When the epoxy hardener has reached the 75 to 80 degrees. Mixing sticks, you can get these from Lowe's. They're about 99 cents. I purchased about 5 of them because, you know, just to mix all the different colors, but I'm just gonna, you know. So I just want to show you, these are 99 cents from Lowe's. Case is the sponge rollers, and these are extremely important that you make sure you get sponge rollers, because you don't want to get anything with fur or anything like that that will either trap hair or trap any kind of items that is going to be stuck and engraved into your marble. Okay guys, so when choosing your primer, keep in mind, very important for you to understand that number one, your primer actually goes on before the epoxy, before you apply your epoxy. And number two, whenever you're choosing a primer, make sure that the primer color corresponds with your base color. Extremely important that it help the color pop out even more. So for example, for us, our base color is white, so that's why our primer is going to be white as well. So it's extremely important that you make sure that you choose a color that corresponds with whatever your base color is. If it's red, it's best that your primer is also red. If it's green, it's best that your primer is also green. Alright you guys, so I will also have a link below as to where you can purchase this particular primer. Here is the ultra cover for our table leg. So for this particular table, as you can see, the different colors that we're going to go with, but we're going to go ahead and use a semi-gloss black for our legs of the table, so that we can make sure that the table kind of corresponds with the color of our marble. So once again, this color is going to be the color of our table legs, okay? And this is semi-gloss and black. So this right here, you can find it at, you can get this from Lowe's. You can also get this from Home Depot, and this runs about, maybe you'll find it for about like $2 or $5, up to from $2 to $5. I'm not too sure. It's based on, you know, what kind you want, whatever's comfortable to you. Expect rotating sander. Can you guess what that's for? I would assume based on so this is for you to get that smooth surface, getting it ready for the what? For the primer, right? So you sand the table down, and then you go ahead and you would apply the primer. So this right here is from the High Spec. This is the 240 watts rotating sander, and it comes with it's a 12 piece. So for this, I will have the link below. Another important thing that you have to keep in mind when you are doing this DIY, it does get very messy, you guys. And when I tell you messy, I mean it is very messy. Make sure you have old clothing on. Make sure you also protect your flooring. And also make sure you have on some gloves. But when you are purchasing, make sure you purchase something called the plastic drop cloth, okay? So you purchase these cloths. They're to open on the floor, to cover your, you know, other areas that you do not want to get paint on, because remember, this is a type of paint and it's very pigmented. And it will be a headache to have to take it off of other, you know, items that you don't want it to get on. So it is important that you make sure that you have the plastic covers, the plastic cloths for you to protect your other areas that you are not interested in painting. So this is a 3-pack. I will have the link below as well. Alright you guys, so as you can tell, I am so ready for my marble table. I'm so excited, and let's go ahead and take you guys, let's start the process. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Like this video if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to comment below any other looks that you want your girl to do. Also, don't forget to subscribe. I'm Midline Blanc, and this is Fashionable Struts. Until next time, bye Strutters.